I want to chat with you about new beginnings because I think so often people just really struggle with new beginnings because we run our life day in and day out doing the same thing with the same 9 to 5 hustle, the same disappointments, really just expecting life to stay that way. But you are meant for greatness. You are meant for more. You are meant to truly shine and to have an abundant life, to have abundant time, to have abundant finances, and to have options that you can decide who you want to spend time with and how you want to design your day. But most people have no idea how to do that. Back in May of 2017, I was in the 9 to 5 grind working in the pharmaceutical world, and I went through a massive layoff. No fault of my own, but no warning, lost a major income overnight. And while it was devastating and stressful for our family, one of the things that I realized was it was my opportunity to be able to have more time with my kids. They were young. I was living in hotels, traveling 3 different states away. And I had like babysitters and nannies raising them while my husband was a law enforcement officer working detective work, and we were just ships passing in the night. So I went through the layoff and I thought, you know what, I'll just end up in network marketing. That'll give me some time freedom and financial freedom. And after spending 8 years in that space, I learned that you can have financial freedom, but oftentimes you're not getting the time freedom because I was living on my phone. I was still missing out on moments. While I was home with my kids, I wasn't actually present, and I wasn't living the life that I had dreamed of, the life that I knew I really wanted to envision for our family. And so I kind of came to my breaking point in December of 2023, and I saw a digital marketing program that was changing lives. It was bringing in massive income and so much hope on how to monetize your scroll with a simple opportunity of attraction marketing, drawing people to your social media page in an authentic way, and be able to make money and make $600 and $900+ days with an automated system. So I wasn't living on my phone anymore. I sat back and I was so skeptical for almost a year, but I got to my breaking point in December, and when I enrolled, what I saw was mind-blowing because I've been able to have more time and more financial freedom than ever before. You know, I made 6 figures in 3 months following this program in digital marketing. And I want to share with you about that. Now, earning the 6 figures in 3 months isn't the best part. The best part is that now I truly am able to walk out what I have envisioned for our family for years. And I have more money than I've ever made in any other career. And I am doing it on my schedule, not somebody else's schedule, not building somebody else's dream. And I didn't have to reinvent the wheel. So if you are feeling stuck and you are wanting to envision life to look and feel different, maybe you need a new beginning. The best part about this new beginning is that you're going to get a community of support from other people that are like-minded, that are also wanting new beginnings. So it's going to encourage you, it's going to support you, it's going to help guide you to have that kind of success. So if you're ready, just comment ready, and I'm going to share the blueprint that I have used to help me and thousands of other people discover $900 days with a 2-hour work schedule so you design the life that you're really meant for. I can't wait to connect.